Machine learning system supervised and unsupervised learning. As we know, machine learning algorithms learn, or we can say get trained with training data that we feed in during their training. So, based on the amount and type of supervision during training, we can classify machine learning systems into four major categories: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, semi-supervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Let's begin with supervised and unsupervised learning first. In simple words, when we feed training data to a machine learning algorithm and the data is labeled, we call it supervised learning because the machine is learning under our supervision. Similarly, when the dataset is left unlabeled, that is called unsupervised learning. Supervised machine learning requires labeled input and output data during the training phase. And it can be further divided into two types: classification and regression. Some of the most popular supervised learning algorithms are k-nearest neighbors, linear regression, logistic regression, support vector machines, SVMs, decision trees and random forests, neural networks too. Now, what is unsupervised learning? It is learning without supervision, that is with unlabeled training data. Unsupervised learning can be divided into parts: clustering and association. Some of the most important unsupervised learning algorithms are clustering. In the clustering group we have k-means, hierarchical cluster analysis, HCA, expectation maximization. Next is visualization and dimensionality reduction. Here we have principal component analysis, PCA, kernel PCA, locally linear embedding, LLE, T-distributed stochastic neighbor embedding, TSNE, and association rule learning that includes a priori, ECLAT. So in a nutshell, the main difference between supervised and unsupervised learning is the need for labeled training data. Supervised machine learning relies on labeled input and output training data, whereas unsupervised learning processes unlabeled or raw data.